They all wanted to come here to support our good friends from Partito Nacionalista. Simon Busuttil is a very well-known European figure for all of us. He was a colleague of many of us in the European Parliament, and the leaders of the European EPP governments and the European institutions. You know, they want to come and express their solidarity and also support for our good friend and our colleagues from Partito Nacionalista here in Malta. The European Socialist Party is now suffering from a lot of divisions, and they are losing power all over Europe, and this might happen also in Malta soon. Socialist parties are not longer a response to the needs of the citizens. We are the reasonable force that is maintaining the European spirit. So, of course, we are now working to coordinate ourselves to work for the future of our sons and grandsons. That's what we are thinking. We are not thinking about the political gain for now, the last minute. We are thinking about the next future for our sons and grandsons.